Hi everyone, welcome back to another vlog. Hope you all are doing well. In today's video, sharing with you all an amazing 5-bedroom detached property with integral garage. This is Patterham from Taylor Wimpey. So stay tuned and watch this video till the end. It could be useful to you. This is located at Ripon, Harrogate. Now going with the floor plans, in the ground floor you have the garage, living, kitchen with dining and the family space, utility and a washroom. On the first floor you have 5 bedrooms with 2 bedrooms having the ensuite and a common family bathroom. Now as you enter the house you'll find a wide and spacious hall in front of you with various partitions towards your first floor, living and kitchen and dining spaces. So exploring the living room first. This is the living room which is coming towards the front. Very spacious and comfortable living room. You'll get a wide window towards the front, so plenty of light falls in the living space. You can easily plan 2 to 3 sofas and a TV set, and there's plenty of room space to walk around. You also have access through this living room towards the kitchen behind. So this was the living room. Now just as you come out of the living room, towards the opposite side you have the water closet in the ground floor. So as you enter the house, this will be towards your left side in the front. The space in the washroom looks quite okay. You have the water closet, sink, and there's also a window. Now opposite to this washroom you also have some additional space wherein they provided the mains and they gave a door and lock. Now moving towards the kitchen and the dining spaces. Before that we'll also check out an additional storage space provided in here. The doors are quite wide, so you can hang your coats and plan something in here. Now moving towards the kitchen and the dining spaces which are coming at the back. So this is the kitchen with the dining and also the family space. Very wide and quite big. So towards one side you have the kitchen space, in the middle they plan the dining, and towards the other end you have the living space. You also have this wide French door access towards the garden behind. So they actually provided 2 French doors, one from the dining space and the other from the living area, which I'll be sharing with you all later. Now exploring the kitchen space. They gave really good space for the kitchen. You also have this extended worktop spread out on 2 different sides. You have the integrated oven, fridge, freezer coming towards this side here. And as I shared with you all before, you also have access towards the living room from the kitchen space here. Well, this will definitely be a dream kitchen for many, with the kind of space and facilities they've provided in here. And again, the total cost of this property is below 700k, which is another great feature. So an amazing kitchen with plenty of light and space everywhere. Even towards the kitchen side they gave an additional window in length, so plenty of light falls in the kitchen space. Now towards the other corner of your kitchen you're getting this additional family space. Again, it's totally up to you. If you want to plan it as a family space you can, or you can plan your dining space here. You're getting again this wide French door access towards the garden behind, and you'll get a decent garden with fence around it. Now from this kitchen you also have access towards your utility space. This is comparatively smaller. You have a worktop and you can plan your washing machine and dryer. And from this utility you also have access towards the garage. So this is your garage. I'm not very sure whether people park their cars inside the garage, but this is again an additional storage space. You can plan a lot of storage in the garage, and your house really looks spacious and comfortable. The boiler is coming here in the garage. So this was the ground floor. We covered all the rooms in the ground floor. Now moving towards the first floor. On the first floor, you have 5 bedrooms with 2 bedrooms getting the ensuite and a common family bath. Let's check out the first bedroom of the house. So this is the first bedroom. It's a double bedroom. You can plan a double bed like this and you get really good space to walk around. Towards one side you have a nice window, so plenty of light falls in this bedroom. So towards the opposite side, you can plan your wardrobes. It's a nice bedroom. You can use this as your kids' room, guest room, anything you want to. Now moving towards the second bedroom. This is slightly bigger than the regular single rooms and smaller than the double bedroom. Now they made it as the workspace or a study. You can use it as a bedroom or kids room if you want to. You're getting a nice window even in this room, so plenty of light falls in the space. Now let's check out the master bedroom of the house. The landing space is good, it's wide and comfortable. So the master bedroom is coming towards this side in the corner here. It's a double bedroom. I mean slightly bigger than the regular double bedrooms, quite comfortable and spacious. You can plan a king size bed like this and you get really good room space to walk around. You're getting a nice window towards one side, so plenty of light falls in this room. You can plan your wardrobes towards this corner without disturbing the room space. So they planned it on both the sides. There's plenty of space. You can also plan a dressing table towards this corner here. Now let's check out the ensuite. The space in the bathroom looks quite okay. You have the water closet, sink, walk-in shower, and they also gave a window. Since they gave the master bedroom towards this corner, you're getting this additional corner space here with a window on this landing wherein you can just sit and relax, which is really a good feature. Now moving towards the fourth bedroom of the house. So this is again a double bedroom. You can plan a double bed like this and you get really good space to walk around. Towards one side you're getting a nice window, so plenty of light falls in this room. Towards the opposite side here, you can also plan a wardrobe. So this was the fourth bedroom of the house, and just beside this you also have the family bathroom. So you have the water closet, sink, there's a bathtub, and they also gave a window. You also have a walk-in shower in this, but the shower cubicle is slightly smaller. Now moving towards the fifth bedroom of the house. This has got an attached bath as well. So this is the double bedroom. In fact, it's slightly bigger than the regular double bedrooms. You can plan a king size bed like this and you get really good room space to walk around. There's a nice window towards one side, so plenty of light falls in this room. Now let's check out the attached bath. The space in this bathroom looks quite okay. You have the walk-in shower, water closet, sink, and they gave a window even in this bathroom. So they planned the wardrobes here towards the front like this. This is going inside the wall. It does not occupy the additional room space. A really beautiful room. You can use this as your kids' room, guest room, anything you want to. Now on the first floor you also have additional space wherein they provided the water heater. So we covered all the rooms in the property. A really beautiful property with good style and comfort. I hope you liked watching today's video. Do give me your suggestions and feedback in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Also, if you're watching my channel for the first time and if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button and feel free to activate the bell icon at the bottom so that you won't miss out on my future uploads. Stay safe, stay connected. See you in another vlog.